Hi everyone, this is Paulo Radatz and I'm making this video because I want to share with you a py-dss milestone that I just noticed. I was preparing the new version 2.3.0 that comes with a Linux version of OpenDSS and also leverages the latest version of OpenDSS version 11 when I noticed that py-dss-interface passed 100k downloads. That's impressive. I'm so proud of this project. It really brings me back to 2019 when I had the problem of copying and paste a file, which was just a Python script to talk to OpenDSS in each project I started. At the time, it was like, hey, should be a easier way to do that. And then I found out that there was the idea of creating Python packages. So I created a Python package, and then I saw the opportunity also to create another YouTube series about OpenDSS in which I was talking about py-dss-interface, right? So then we started that project, I guess 2020, and then the project evolved a lot. So I was learning as I was going. So I started the package, and then later I found a way to provide OpenDSS within the package to make things easier. And then I start having some users complaining about some problems that was appearing as we evolved the tool. And then I was like, okay, now I need to do something. And then I found out that we could use unit tests to make sure it doesn't break as we evolve. And then I add the unit tests. And then a friend called Enu came to me and said, hey, I can really notice you are an electrical engineer. You're not a software engineer because your package is just one Python file. So all the connection between Python and OpenDSS was in a single file, really hard to maintain and find bugs and things like that. So he came and helped me to refactor the entire package. So thanks to Enu for that. And then later we added the Linux capability in the package. So really this is like the 6 years history of the package. I have been learning a lot as I go. And today, like I said, I can see this number, more than 100k downloads. And this is not just by academia, students and professors that are using py-dss interface. I also have companies using it, which is great. We are providing value to customers through those companies, which I feel very proud of. So I just want to thank you guys for using it. Thank you so much for being part of this community. If you have never used it, I think you can give it a shot because that's a great tool. There are other videos here in my YouTube channel that can give you more ideas of how to use it. But if you ask me what is next, what is after py-dss interface, I think is the py-dss-toolkit. So py-dss-toolkit is the Python package that wraps py-dss interface to give you advanced capabilities to control OpenDSS using Python. There are other things coming as well in the pipeline, but I'll just share with you guys when the time comes. And again, I'm outstanding. I feel accomplished. Thanks so much for being here with me, and I'll see you in the next one.